Okay, hi, I'm John, and you are?
Kearon.
Okay, today we're going to do a quick Excel. Okay, press the start button, the Windows button, and we type Excel. There you go. Okay, so we're going to do a quick one. We'll just do what we did quickly. Okay, let's start a new sheet. A blank sheet. Let's make it full. Yeah, pause. Okay, so to make it full, we just double click that. Okay, let's put our name in, like we did the first time.
Spell it.
Enter. Right, we're going to do just the 9 times table.
Yes.
Okay, so we start with that. Okay, remember the between the A and the B to make it the
Yes.
same width. Double click, up. Cool. So now we want to put a 1 in there.
Yes.
Enter. And a 2.
No. Number.
Okay, now we want to go and highlight that. 1 and 2. And you want to use your little green block. Up, no, go back up to 1 and 2. Okay, let go. Okay, now go grab your little green block and drag it down. Cool. Okay, and we're going to put in B3,
Hi.
in B3, cell B3.
B3.
What are we going to be timesing it with?
9.
Okay. Enter. Go back there. How do we copy it? What do we do? Tell them. What did you do?
You hold Control in and you press C.
Okay, right. Now what do we do? No. Highlight the blocks you want to paste it into. So click down, down, hold. And how do we paste it?
Kom.
Hy sê besig Suray.
Okay, let's go to C. C3. Now let's see if you can remember the formula. Equals A3, click on A3, A1, A3, times, what's the times button? It's the star. And we're timesing it with what?
No.
B3. Enter. Okay, go back to the 9 there. And what can we use now? Yes. Cool.
There we are.
Was that easy?
I'm done.